We're the new neighbors.
No neighbors.
What is it?
I think it's a robot.
Wow, a robot. I never met a robot.
Me neither. He looks lonely.
Yeah, he does.
We should say hi to the new robot. Hi, I'm Flurg.
Mimi.
Rainbow, are you new here? Do you want to play with us?
We have a ball. It must be a shy robot. We need to make it feel more at home in the park.
Oh, I got it. I speak robot. Beep boop bop boop bzz, bzz.
Wait. I can dance like a robot. Oh.
Hi guys, what you doing?
Hi, Ernest. This is our new robot friend. But I don't think he wants to play.
Let me show you something.
Oh, the robot is hungry.
You've got to feed the robot.
Feed the robot.
No, this isn't a robot. It's a recycling bin.
What's recycling?
Recycling is when you put things into a special bin and it gets turned into something new. Things you can recycle are bottles, papers, and aluminum things like cans and pie tins. They're called recyclables. Recycling them helps keep the planet clean.
I see. We help the planet by putting recyclables in the bin?
Yep.
Oh, I get it. The sign shows you what goes in the recycling bin. This is paper, so it can go in here.
Feed the robot.
And this is plastic, so it goes in here.
Feed the robot.
Here you go.
Oh, so this goes in too.
Feed the robot.
Recycling is fun.
I like feeding the robot.
Me too.
You do realize it's not a robot, right?
Yeah, but it sure would be fun to make friends with a real robot someday.
Hey, guys, look. He says he wants to play.
Robot dance party! Doom 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 doom